If your job leaves you drifting, it's time to anchor yourself with Candina Group. Looking for stability and real benefits? Set sail for something better. Candina Group is calling all European seafarers. We're offering excellent opportunities on RoRo and RoPax ships flying the Italian flag. Competitive salaries? Absolutely. Chief officers can earn up to $5,000. Second engineers up to $5,200. Plus plenty of roles for officers, engineers, bosun, AB, cooks and truck drivers. Enjoy standard 4-month contracts, or in some cases back-to-back rotations. 3 months on, 1.5 months off. Here's the real anchor. Your social security and pension are fully paid in Italy. Work just 2 years, and you could qualify for up to 2 years of unemployment benefits at 80% of your salary. Got an Italian fiscal code? Even better. Apply today. Ready to join one of the most trusted names at sea? Send your CV to candinagroup.com and set your course for a brighter future.